Hi guys, do you need to send money across borders quickly and safely? In this video, I'll walk you through how to send money using WorldRemit in just a few steps. Open the WorldRemit app and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, click sign up. You'll need your name, email, and secure password. When you're done, you'll be taken to the homepage where you'll see the button Send Money. Click on it. On the next page, you'll be asked to choose the country you want to send money to. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You'll instantly see the exchange rate, fees, and exactly how much your recipient will get. WorldRemit offers different delivery options based on the country. This could be bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, or airtime top-up. Next, enter your recipient's details. Click Add New Receiver to do this. Your recipient details might include their full name, address, phone number, and bank details, depending on your delivery option. Finally, choose your payment method. This could be a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other local payment options. Review your transfer and then hit send. And that's it. Sending money with WorldRemit is fast, easy, and secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.